case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1992 case, People v. Duffy, the New York Court of Appeals addressed whether a person could be held criminally liable for reckless manslaughter for causing a suicide. The case centered on the idea that an individual may be held responsible if they consciously disregarded a substantial and unjustifiable risk that their actions would lead to another person's suicide, ultimately causing that person's death. The defendant had been found guilty of second-degree manslaughter after providing a gun and alcohol to the victim, Jason Shula, who committed suicide with the defendant's encouragement. Shula expressed his desire to die, and the defendant invited him back to his apartment, where Shula continued to express suicidal thoughts while drinking heavily. The defendant not only provided more alcohol, but also encouraged Shula to jump off a building. Eventually, the defendant gave Shula a gun and ammunition, urging him to shoot himself, which Shula ultimately did, leading to his death. The Appellate Division initially dismissed the indictment, but the Court of Appeals reversed the decision, concluding that the defendant could be found guilty of manslaughter for their reckless actions. The court held that the defendant's prosecution for reckless manslaughter was not improper, and that the evidence supported the conviction. Furthermore, the legislature did not intend to limit criminal liability for causing a suicide to only those instances where the accused acted intentionally. The court upheld the jury's verdict of second-degree manslaughter, asserting that the defendant's actions directly caused the victim's death. The case was remitted back to the Appellate Division for further consideration of the facts in accordance with the opinion of the court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.